Alright, so today I'm going to replacing this leather center console right here. We've got some wear and tear right here from just an elbow wearing on the seat, kind of leaning on it. Pretty typical. It's got 96,000 miles on it, so let's go ahead and get started of getting this cover taken off.
Okay, so here's the hardest part, is trying to get the plastic little shell from the actual leather cover. I had so much struggle trying to get it off using different pry tools, as you'll see going on in this video, but just do your best and take your time. And you're about to see me snap this piece right here. That sucker was stuck on there. Watch this. You know what? I'm not mad. It happens. And now you can see the bottom side of that plastic tray. Let's go ahead and get the actual cover taken off. You've got 6 T20 screws you'll have to take off. Here I'm just using a utility knife to cut off the old leather. It makes it easier for me to take out those staples afterwards so I can kind of get under them better. Just be careful not to cut yourself, always cut away from yourself. And then after all those, you'll peel this back, you'll see the original foam. You'll just want to hang on to that. Some of the leather goes underneath the latch. I'll show you later how that assembly works. So what did I think of this whole process? Really happy with the outcome. You know, it was only $30. I had the tools I had, which was just a staple gun. That's pretty much all you need, and maybe some other basics. To buy a brand new one from Volkswagen, you would still have to swap it out by taking the center console apart, and I wasn't really looking to do that. This was a lot cheaper and pretty easy for me to do. I think anybody can basically do that from everything you saw. I really hope that this video helps somebody out there. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.